In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a section smaller on Squarespace. This is a very quick and useful edit, especially if a section on your site feels too tall and is taking up more space than you want. Adjusting the height of a section can help your page look cleaner, more balanced, and easier for visitors to scroll through. The good news is that Squarespace makes this very simple once you know where to click. To get started, open your Squarespace website and click Edit. This will take you into the page editor where you can make visual changes directly on the page. If you're not already on the correct page, make sure you navigate to the one that contains the section you want to resize before continuing. Once you're in edit mode, go to the section you want to make smaller. Move your cursor over that area and click on the section to select it. This is important because the resize control only becomes available when the section is actively selected. When it's selected, you should see the editing outline and controls appear around it. Next, look toward the bottom of the section. You'll find a drag handle there. This is the tool Squarespace gives you to manually adjust the section height. Click and hold that handle, then drag upward. As you drag, the section will become shorter, allowing you to reduce the amount of vertical space it uses on the page. Take your time while doing this so you can stop at the exact height that looks right for your layout. A good tip here is to make smaller adjustments first, especially if the section contains text, images, or buttons. You want to make sure everything still fits nicely and doesn't feel cramped. If needed, you can always drag it again until you're happy with the result. And there you go. That's how you make a section smaller on Squarespace. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in the overall look and spacing of your website. After adjusting the size, just review the section one more time to make sure the content still looks clean and readable. Once everything looks good, your edit is done. That's all.